For all those that have been saying, I want to treat pimple, how can I treat pimple, how can I treat pimple? Oh yeah, wait, I had to leave my face for the past 1 month. I've not done any skincare on my face. Now you see pimple, shey. You see pimple. You see pimple. I'm going to do this therapy for 3 days. Just 3 days. And I will show you the results. Mark the day. I'm going to post this immediately after making this video. Then I will still post the outcome in 3 days time. Now let me tell you what I did. This is egg white, only egg white. I just whisked and then I'm applying it on my face. Do you understand? When you apply it on your face, you are going to make, it's going to make your face very dry. Your face will become very dry, kokoroko. When your face is very dry, all the pimple will shrink to dry up the pimple. So when you now wash off with warm water, you use soap and warm water and do not fight with your face when you are scrubbing it. Don't fight with your face. Actually, I use a very strong sponge on my face, but then I take it slow. You know, naturally, if you're using a soft sponge, you would have to scrub anything out. If you want to bathe, you'll be scrubbing so hard. But if I'm using a strong sponge, I'll just, be rubbing it on top. Now that rubbing it on top that you're seeing is going to make pressure would not be on my skin. I will only be scraping out all those dry heads that the egg has shrinked. Do you understand? But if you have a soft sponge, it's still very okay. But don't fight with your face. Pamper your face. Just, use soap and sponge. Just scrub it off with the warm water. You understand? And wash off. That is number 1. Number 2, you're going to do on this pimpled face is hot water. You are going to use hot water. Get towel. Use the towel, dip into the hot water and gently. Don't burn your face. So you touch small to check the temperature. Then you now, if the thing is a little bit okay, it doesn't have to be cold or it doesn't have to be lukewarm or it has to be hot. You would know when something is treating you, something is sucking oil from your face. So once you touch it, you would notice that a pimple that is paining you, the pain will subside. You understand? Once you touch the hot water on that particular place, that's how it works. Know this and know peace. If you are one of those that are in the habit of pressing pimple, make sure you don't press a pimple that is paining you. Do not press your pimple when your pimple is paining you. Wait till the pimple stops paining you. That is when it is ripe. Sometimes you notice the mouth, the tip is yellow. You say it's ripe, but you notice that the base is still strong. When you now bust it, small pus will just come out in. The rest of the things that will not come out will be blood. You should have yourself. If your pimple is delaying, you're in a hurry to press it. It's simple. Use hot water. Touch it on that pimple. You'll notice that in the next 4 or 5 hours, that pimple will ripe completely. You understand? If it's the one that has not even started ripening at all, at least before evening or the next day, it will now ripe completely. How you know a pimple is ripe is either it's not paining you or it's itching you. It doesn't have to be paining you. If it's paining you, leave that pimple alone. Respect your old age and leave your pimple alone. Thank you. And drink water. Because sometimes the pimple might not be your fault. The pimple might not be because you are not meeting up with your skincare stuffs, or it might not be because you are stressed out. It might be because of your hormones. Your body hormones at that particular time might be causing those pimples. So drink water. You cannot control your hormones. Maybe pregnancy hormones, maybe your body system at that particular time. But the only cure you have to balance your hormones, the only thing you can do if you don't want to go and see the doctor to check inside, drink water. It's only when you are drinking your normal 6 sachets of water every day and it's not working, then you go for lab tests. Do you understand? Go for lab tests and check your body system, because there might be something. All these things are symptoms most times. When it has to do with hormone, there's a particular thing is telling you this particular thing is too much in your body, and stuff like that. I'm going to give you some explanations to tell you what it represents. When you have pimple on your forehead, what it represents. When you have pimple here, what it represents here. You understand? On your nose. All of them tells different things. You understand? So as you're treating it outwardly, you should be treating it inwardly. Thank you. So I will continue with this. I don't from one lecture enter another one. I'm confused. But all the same, you just know that you should use egg white to treat your pimples. Yes. and you should use hot water to massage your pimples. Yes. Then the third of them all, the other of them all, make sure your face is never oily. When you are doing this therapy, you want to clear your pimple and you want to look good. Do nothing but obey this particular rule. What is the rule? Enchanter powder. If you are a person that has pimple and you don't have enchanter powder in your bag, you're a joker. Enchanter powder will save you all the stress. Most times, me personally, I use the orange flavor. That's the one that has the yellow label. You will take your time. You would actually find the one that tallies to your face. If you have pimple, start with that yellow one. If it doesn't favor you, then you check another one, either the pink one or the purple one. So what I'm saying is that enchanter powder would help you to keep your face dry all day. You understand? If you notice your face is dry, there's nothing there. Just carry water, cold water or normal water. If you don't have access to frozen water, just use normal one. Just wash, just rinse your face, apply powder. Whether you're a man or a woman, carry powder in your bag. Nobody would say, yeah, you're forming, you want to form big boy. Okay, it's your skin. If you allow this skin stress so much, after, before you reach 40 years, your face have wrinkle. So pamper the skin now. Pamper the skin now. It's your body. Thank you.